Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my new channel if you've never been here before. This is an unboxing of an Amazon Sports Nutrition sample box. I did a similar unboxing on my channel last week and I will link that above. This is purely sports nutrition, as it says on the box, and I will show you everything that's in it. So I have opened it just for the sake of the video, but I've not looked at the product, so we're going to go through this together and I'm going to start from the top. So the first item in here is Pure Series bulk powders. So it's a whey protein in chocolate flavour and you add it to water, but I would add it to milk just to give it a bit more flavour, and I do think things like this do taste better in milk, but it's just personal preference. The second item are these Grenade Energy Zero Sugar Zero Calories capsules. There's 4 capsules, which is 2 days supply. So the energy capsules, I've never used or tried anything like this before, so it'll be interesting to see how these work and if they work and if they do actually give me energy. The next item is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard BCAA Trust and Sustain Strawberry and Kiwi flavour, and there's 2 servings in here. And I believe you do add this to water as well, so it's good that there's 2 servings, and I would actually personally put this in water because I think it would probably taste funny with milk. The next item is another item by Optimum Nutrition, and it's the Gold Standard Whey Protein, and it's double rich chocolate, and it's 1 serving again, and again it will say to put in water, but it's personal preference. You can put it in water and it's less calories, or you can put it in milk. I would probably put it in almond milk or oat milk. The next item is this quite heavy Battle Oats Protein Flapjack, and again it's another chocolate item. Dark chocolate chip, gluten free, high in fibre, and it's quite weighted, but flapjacks generally are. It's 70 grams. Another item by Grenade is this Carb Killer Protein Spread in Milk Chocolate. You could probably spread this on anything, or you could probably even put it in a smoothie if you didn't want to put it on bread, or you could put it on banana. It's personal choice what you put it on. I've never seen these before. Then a Milky Way protein. I haven't had a Milky Way in years because I don't really like Nestle chocolate, but I really want to eat this now actually, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Then a brand I've not heard of, Premium Lux Protein Flapjack. Again another chocolate item. It's chocolate chunk and there's 20 grams of protein and 8.9 grams of fibre, and it's got stevia, which is a sweetener if you don't know already. I'm sure most people will. I had one of these, well there's 2 of these in the Degustabox. It's the same protein bar but different packaging. This is the vanilla choc chip. I'm looking forward to trying this, as I am with the other 2 that I got in the January edition of Degustabox. A item by Maxi Muscle. I've heard of this brand before, never tried anything, and it's the Pro Max Restore Chocolate Brownie. I love chocolate brownies. It is probably my favourite thing to eat dessert wise. I'm not a super sweet dessert fan, but if I ever see a brownie on a dessert menu, I want it, so this definitely appeals to me. Another item by Grenade. This is heavily sponsored. I don't think it's sponsored, but it's, you know, a lot of Grenade products in here. It's a Grenade Carb Killer High Protein Shake. It's got 24 grams of protein in, 9 grams of carbs, and it's 200 calories, and it's cookies and cream. I think that might be sickly, but I might be proven wrong. I am drinking protein shakes at the moment, not for exercise reasons but because I don't get enough protein in my diet, so I have started to add protein shakes to my diet, so everything in this box is perfect for me. And the final item is another drink, which I love the packaging of this. It's called Moose Drink Extreme Energy Zero Sugar and it's mojito flavour. That packaging is fantastic and I'm looking forward to trying that. And that is absolutely everything in this sports nutrition sample box by Amazon. It is currently on sale and it's £10 with free delivery for Prime members. So if you're into sports or working out and you want something to take to either enhance your performance or to take after, then I highly recommend trying this. So you get a variety of different brands and different products, and you get to try things to see what you do and don't like, and that is everything. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be doing a blog post on this box which will be up either by the time this video is live or not very long after. As always, my blog is linked down below, so please check it out, and any questions please leave them down below, and I'll be back very soon with another unboxing. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.